This is easy low carb pizza crust that holds up on the major toppings. So you want to take a bag and you want to microwave it until it's thawed, and then you want to squeeze it tight. I use 2 bags to get a good size. You're going to see, I'd probably say 2 bags. Now you got to really press this stuff out. Should be dry like this. All right, you're going to do an egg per bag. So I had 2 bags, so I used 2 eggs. And then you're going to mix. Then you're going to add 3/4 to a cup of cheese, good cheese. Asiago here, Parmesan. Make sure it's fine or it will not stick together. The crust will fall apart. Do not use bottled Parmesan. It's not it. Don't do it. Now I add a little bit at a time. Now pay attention to the consistency. You want it to be kind of stick together. If it's not giving you that good consistency, you need to keep adding on cheese. Now I added garlic, salt, and oregano for my seasoning. You can freestyle, do whatever you want to do. It's up to your taste. Please make sure you salt it. It's going to be bland. Now here's the major key: nutritional yeast. It's going to give you that yeast flavor. It's going to be a total game changer, and it completely wipes out that kind of like earthy taste that the cauliflower crust can have sometimes. 375. You want to put your parchment paper down. I put nonstick, make it easier for me. It took me about, I want to say 10 minutes. You're going to do it till it's light brown and ready to type. Nice and sturdy. You can pull up on the side of it to see if it's firm. If it's firm, pull it out. Now you top it however you want to top it. You see I went crazy with mine. I got ham. I got peppers and onions and mushrooms, pepperoni. Do what you want to do. Take my low carb sauce from the previous. Top that thing. Now you're going to be generous. It's up to you. You like a little sauce or a lot of sauce. Then you play hide and seek with your cheese. Season your cheese. I put oregano on mine. I put a little red peppers because I'm sassy like that. And then you're going to bake this at 425 until it's melted down into your liking of doneness. Boom, you done. Look at this. Low carb. It's hitting. It's good even if you're not on a diet. Yo, enjoy.